The medium legs of the big turtle. Working into a chain, make a slip knot like this. Put the hook into the loop and tighten the loop. In round 1, start with 6 chain stitches, then turn and skip the first chain stitch to work 4 single crochets from the second chain. Then work 3 single crochets in the same stitch and work 4 single crochets. Work 6 chain stitches. Such a V shape is 1 chain stitch. Continue to work 5 more chain stitches in the same way. There are 6 V's stand for 6 chain stitches. The loop on the hook is not counted as 1 stitch. A regular stitch has 2 loops. We work through the loops on one side first, then work through the loops on the other side later. Turn and skip the first chain stitch to work 4 single crochets from the second chain. The first single crochet is done. Continue to work 3 more single crochets in the same way. Then work 3 single crochets in the last chain stitch. The first single crochet is done. Work the second single crochet in the same stitch. Put the yarn tail behind the hook. Work the third single crochet in the same stitch. Put the yarn tail above the hook. Three single crochets are done. We'll work through the loops on the other side. We've worked through the loops on one side, we work through the loops on the other side. Work 4 single crochets. Place the yarn tail above hook during crocheting. Round 1 is done. In round 2, start with 1 chain stitch. Then turn the fabric and work 4 single crochets. Then work 3 single crochet in the same stitch for 3 times. Finally, work 4 single crochets. First, work 1 chain stitch. Then turn the fabric and work 4 single crochets. Insert hook into the last stitch of previous round to work the first single crochets. Mark the first stitch. Continue to work 3 more single crochets in the same way. Next, work 3 single crochets in the same stitch. Three single crochets in the same stitch are done. Continue to work 3 single crochets in each of the following 2 stitches. Then work 4 single crochets. Round 2 is done. In round 3, start with a chain stitch. Fold the fabric, then work 4 single crochets and 4 increases. First, work 1 chain stitch. Fold the fabric. Insert a hook into the last stitch of the previous round and the first stitch of round 2 to work a single crochet. Continue to work 3 more single crochets through both layers. Then work 4 increases. We need to work 2 single crochets in each stitch through both layers. Finish 4 increases in total. Run 3 is done. Break yarn, leaving a long end for sewing. Yarn tail round hook and pull the tail out. One medium leg is done. This tail is for sewing later. Cut off this tail. Please crochet one more medium leg in the same way by yourself.